Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to the Total Quality Management course. Today we're going to discuss about the performance measures done by the various industries. Let us discuss about this. Why the performance measurement is needed is to quantifying the effectiveness and the efficiency of the product, so that it just help us to monitor the gap between the product and the customer, and it also help us to support the decision making of the companies. So the widely used in the manufacturing sector, service sector, healthcare sector, education sector, and IT and software sector. So in total quality management, it ensures the continuous improvement and customer satisfaction, so that they are used the measurements like KIP, metrics, and the benchmarks. Coming to the characteristics of good performance measurements, so in quantifiable objectives which align the organization goal, customer focus, so that it can be actionable and timely solved one, so that it helps to continuous improvement and decision making of the company. So it can be related to the position based on the jobs and key and task elements, so it can understand the good performance measures taken by the industries. Now coming to the manufacturing sector, how they are doing the performance matrix, the overall equipment effectiveness, so that they can find out the defects on the scab rate. So it can also measure the cyclic time and the lead time. They also maintain the product downtime and the inventory, so that their turnover ratio can be measured with this performance metrics. Coming to the service sector, they have five things of performance metrics. One is customer satisfaction index, first contract resolution, service level agreements and complaints, so the average handling time and net promoter score. These are the five things. One is from the starting customer to the net profit score they are maintaining in the service sector. Now coming to the healthcare is the major thing where the patient satisfaction score is important, so that the average length of the stay ALOS which can be reduced, and the rate of patient shows patient weight and travel time, patient satisfaction, successful encounters and connection quality for the treatment. So it is a readmission rates, how much they are reducing the readmission rate in the hospital, acquiring infections rate, and bed occupation ratio can be measured the performance of the healthcare. Coming to the education sector, and the performance metrics are used with respect to the student performance index, graduation rate, or we call it as a pass rate, the faculty performance evaluation based on their growth and their outcome of publishing papers and getting grants and consultants and so on. Next one is the final year student placement percentage, which makes the immediate performance matrix can be gained and shows the percentage of placement in department level and the college level. Finally, the student faculty ratio also makes, once the student faculty ratio is 15, means the interaction by the faculty can increase and the performance also get increased. Now coming to the IT and software industry, the performance matrix is aligned with the OKR, that is smart OK, objective key result, systematic, measurable, achievable, relevant, and timely solvable, or so timely output can be system obtainment and ability. So the bugs fix rate and error density, so that the deployment of frequently they are solving the response on time, and tickets can be cleared for the customer end. The client satisfaction score also measures the performance metric of the IT and software. Now coming to the construction industry, the projects completion time, budget variance, accident frequency ratio, and the resource utilization and quality defect index. These are the things can be performance metrics in the construction. Now coming to the logistics and supply chain performance metrics, they are the chosen the improve the on-time delivery rate, order fulfillment accuracy, fortune for cost per unit, and household efficiency, inventory turnaround time. These are the things they are considered in improving the performance rate in the logistics and supply chain industries. Coming to the retail industry, the performance matrix, it's a scale per the square feet. Customer retention rate, inventory shrinkage rate, average transaction value, and the return rate. So these are the things directly involve the customer satisfaction plays a major role, and cross margin and employee turnover. These are the things measured in the retail industry. Coming to the financial industry, here the measurable things are return on investment, net interest margin, loan processing time, customer complaint resolution time, the cost income ratio. These are the things can be considered in the financial sector, the bank sector, and other small financing units. Coming to the balanced scorecard approach, is the one of approach where the scorecard can be measurable in the balance side, developed by Upload and Motor, measure the financial, customer interacting, internal process, and learning and growth. So it encourages strategic alignment used to across the industry for holistic performance tracking, which connect the strong-term action with the long-term goal. So importance of the industry-specific metrics to avoid the generic measure that misguided decision making. To reflect the unique business model and goals, which helps to benchmarking with competitor. So the driver force for the improvement of the organization, which supports the total quality and excellence model. So summary and takeaway for this lecture is performance measured vary by industry by on customer and customer to their expectation and operation. The proper metrics driven the effectiveness and efficiency and effectiveness and quality. With the GQM relies on measures for continuous improvement, like using tools like Balanced Scorecard, KIP, and dashboards encourage it. Strategy focused for the results. Every industry must identify what matters most to do with the customer or the stakeholder. So, thank you. We'll see in the next class.